Introducing our Morocco Method beanie. These chunky knit beanies are made of knit acrylic and feature a trendy, oversized slouch fit, perfect for cold weather exposure. As you may know, when you switch to all-natural products, you may go through a detox phase. Detoxing is a necessary process that removes the chemical residue and toxins from your hair and scalp. You may notice that your hair will initially be more greasy, but not to worry, it's just a phase. And our Morocco Method beanie will help. This beanie is also helpful when using the Zen Detox Mask. The mask is meant to be used in the sunshine, where the warmth can activate the ingredients. However, if you're using our Zen Detox Mask on a rainy day, you can wrap your hair up in plastic wrap with the beanie on top of it. This will lock in the heat from your scalp and activate the ingredients in a similar way. As an ode to our lunar chart, the moon made me do it is embroidered on the beanie under our logo. Stay cozy.